friends, welcome back to my class. In the series of learning programming in C, in the previous video we have discussed about call by value and call by reference. In today's video, we will discuss about how to pass array elements to a function. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. Till now, we have seen how to pass individual values to a function. And we have seen how to pass that individual value as actual value, that is call by value or pass by value method, and with pass by reference, that is call by reference method also. So we have seen how to pass individual value as actual value, where we have a copy of that in a new variable, and we have also seen how to pass that individual value with reference. So we pass the address of that individual variable, receive that through pointers. So we have seen this. But here comes the concept of how to pass array. Array is nothing but a block of memory. So it is going to store multiple values but of the same type. So when I am saying I am sending multiple values, how do I receive that? Actually, you have different methods to send the array elements. Array elements can be sent one by one, or it can be sent at one stretch. In today's video, we will see how to pass the array value one by one. So when I say I am passing the array value one by one, so it's a block of memory where obviously we will have the block of memory with multiple values of the same type. So when we have multiple values, I can send that multiple values one by one. So when I say I am sending one by one, I can send it as actual value or through reference. So again comes the concept of passing array elements with call by value method and call by reference method. So we have two methods here. One, I can send through call by value, or I can send the array elements through call by reference. Again, these are the two types, and again we say I have two methods of sending the array elements. I can send individually, or I can send at one stretch the complete values. So we will see how to send individually and using call by value method in today's video. So using call by value and individual values. So here is the program. So here you have the function declaration, function call and function definition, and here you have the array initialization. I have not wasted the number of lines. I have reduced the number of lines so that I can simply initialize the values and print it. If you want, you can scan the values also, no problem. But here I have initialized it, and we will see how to send these values one by one to a function and how the function is going to print that. So I am sending individually and with call by value method. You all know what is call by value method. Call by value means sending the actual value itself. A copy of the value will be received in the function with a new variable. So that how we are going to do, we have to see now. So here we have the function display. The function name is display and the return type is word, and one argument it is taking, it is of integer type. In the main function, I have a variable I for loop. Then you have array initialization, and this is unsized array. The size of the array will be taken by itself based on the number of elements that what I have initialized. So how many values I have initialized? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values I have initialized. As soon as the compiler encounters the array variable declaration, come initialization. So what it is going to do? It is going to allocate the memory for that. So let me write the memory allocation for this. So the array name is marks. So it is marks of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 elements I need to store. So array index 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. It will say marks of 0, marks of 1 like that. So here the elements that what I have is, it is 55, 66, 77, 88 and 97. Okay, some address will be there. So let me say the addresses starts from 101. So 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109 and 110 will be the last memory. Okay, so this is how the memory allocation. So why I have taken 2 bytes? Because it's of integer type. So all these are basic things you must know. Okay, so here I can write it like this. I can say marks of 0, marks of 1, 2, 3 and then 4 like that. Okay, now so memory has been allocated and the values have been initialized. The next is the loop starts. I say I equal to 0, I less than 5. Yes, condition 2. Execute this immediate statement where I have a function called I am passing marks of I. Marks of I. What is I? It is 0. So what is marks of 0? It is 55. It means to say call the function by passing the actual value 55. Marks of 0 means what? It is 55. So here the function call encounters the control will be to declaration and definition. Here this formula, this is what the actual argument. This is what the actual argument. And this actual argument is carrying the actual value 55 which is in marks of I. I means 0. Marks of 0. Okay. So the control will be to declaration to check whether everything is declared with the proper function signature. So all those things will be checked. Well, it gets matched and the control will be to this definition part. So the control will be to definition part where I have this formal argument. This is what the actual argument and this is what the formal argument which is receiving this value. So I have n which is receiving 55. So n is receiving 55. Then I will get inside this function definition. I will simply say print that integer. So in my output screen I am going to get the value 55. Okay. So this block is done. The control is back to the place where the function was called. Right. So here this function call is done. But still I am in the loop. I equal to 0, I less than 5. I am still in the loop. The loop is not terminated. Now the control will be to loop progress. I gets incremented. I becomes how much? It becomes 1. So here marks of I means how much? It is 1 now. So what is marks of 1? So this is what the index value. See, you can just write it clearly if you don't understand this. Say it is marks of 0. This is marks of 1. Again 2, 3. I don't have sufficient space, so I am writing like that. Marks of 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So what is marks of 1 now? It is 66. My next value is 6. See, I am sending individually. It's array value of course, but I am sending to the function individually and with the method of call by value. I am sending the actual value individually. Array values individually. So 66, again n is receiving 66. So print that. Again get back. I gets incremented. It becomes 2. What is marks of 2? It is 77. Send that. Receive that through n. So n got new value 77. Print that. Get inside and print that. Again get back. I gets increased. It becomes 3. What is marks of 3? It is 88. Now I am sending 88. Receiving that with the formal argument n which is 88 stored in n. Print that. So print 88. See, I have /t. So space occurs there. Again get back. I gets increased. I becomes 4. What is marks of 4? It is 97. Receive that with the formal argument n. So 97. Print that. So I am printing that. Again get back. I gets increased. It becomes 5. 5 less than 5. Condition not satisfied. Loop gets terminated. Immediate statement skipped. Control to this point. You can also have get ch here. Clear screen, all those things. Basic. Okay. So like this, the main function ends. Execution starts from the main and it ends in the main itself. That you should know clearly. So, well, array elements that what I have initialized, you can also scan through runtime. I have simply reduced the coding of the program, so I have initialized it. Okay, so the array elements that what I have initialized, I am sending it to the function one by one individually, and the method that what I am using is call by value, because I am sending the actual value and I am sending it individually. This is what passing array elements to a function individually using call by value method. So let us see the execution of this. So here is the program. We have initialized the values, the array values. Then we are calling the function display. Display function is called. So here the display function is called. When the display function is called, the control will be to the definition part here. So the control will come to the definition part. So when I say marks of I, so it is going to send marks of 0. So what is marks of 0? It is 55. So n is receiving 55. Again the control will be back to the main program. Again the loop gets increased. It becomes 1. So marks of 1, it is 66. So marks of 1 means 66. That value 66 is received with n, and again it is coming to the printf and it is going to print the values. So like this all the values will be sent individually. So this is how we send the array values to the function individually, and this is called by value method. So let us save this and we'll execute this program. Yes, see the output is, it is 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. Right? So this is what with the program passing array values to the function with call by value and sending it individually. The next coming video we will see one more concept, that is call by reference. So till then stay tuned to my channel. Take care and bye bye.